This is my original voice.
And this is my AI cloned voice.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video I am going to show you guys how to create your voice clone for your YouTube videos. First of all, open this website. I will give you the link in video description below. Click on Wisely 2.0. Click on it. As you can see here is two options. First option is text to speech and second option is AI voice cloning. Click on it. Select your language. Choose English and click on add a new voice. Here you need to record 10 to 15 seconds of your own voice. Then enter your name and click on create. I have already created my voice clone and select your name. Type some text here. And then generate clone it voice. Click on it. Click on generate. Your request is successfully accepted. You can see result on my voices after 15 minutes. Click on OK and click on my resources and click on my AI voices. Okay, now click on download button. That's it. I hope you liked this video. If you like, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our next video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.